Hey y'all, it's Frank from Frosting, and in this guide, we're going to walk through how to create a simple product listing. And as an example, we're going to use this listing for 2 dozen mini heart cookies. We're going to walk through it step by step. Let's get a little bit of background information first on what a simple product actually is. A simple product is the most common product type. It's a product listing without variations, and variations are product options that the customer can select from, like size, cake flavor, or filling. So, simple products are perfect for things like chocolate chip cookies, ready to go cakes, a dozen donuts, or even blueberry muffins. Let's see how the information looks on the product page. Okay, we're back on our listing. First, we have the featured image. This is the main image that customers see when they look at your product. Below the featured image is the image gallery, and these are extra images that you can upload to give the customers another view of your product. Then we have the product title or product name, followed by the price, short description, and calendar. Here's a quick overview of the product that we're going to be making. Title is Mini Heart Cookies 2 dozen with a price of $35. And here's the booking information. It's single day, so the customer will only select a day and not a time. And the minimum order notice is 48 hours with a maximum order ahead time of 30 days. And since we all need a break, we're going to uncheck Sundays. We're going to use local pickup, which every bakery has on by default. Okay, let's get to the fun part and make the item. So we're going to start on the products page on the shop manager, click add product. Then we're going to add our featured image right here. Then we're going to select the images that we want to add to the product gallery. We're going to add our title. We're going to select cookies for the category. Then we're going to add our short description. Now we're going to add the long description. This goes near the bottom of the page, and it's a place where you can provide extra information like about your bakery, allergy warnings, ingredients list, anything else you want the customer to know. We're not going to add any design options. Now here's where we're going to add keywords. These help customers find your products. So for these cookies, we're going to add Mother's Day and Valentine's Day. For the occasions, we're going to select anniversary, prom, and wedding. For the theme, since they're pretty simple cookies, we're just going to add hearts. We don't need any of the others. So now we're going to come to the listing details. We're going to keep it. Simple product is the default. Regular price, $35. We're going to select our bakery on the tax rate. And now we're going to come to the inventory tab. This is where you can manage your stock and set stock statuses. You can use linked products to show upsells or similar items from your shop on the product page. Since we're using the default pickup, we don't need to worry about shipping. Now on to booking. To enable booking, you have to first save the product. The page will reload, and you'll be back down at the bottom with all of the booking options. We're going to enable booking. We're going to leave it as single day. We want to always show the calendar. And then on to availability. So remember our minimum order notice, we're going to put 48 hours. So this will give us 2 days. The maximum order ahead time is going to be 30 days. And we're going to disable Sunday. Save changes. Let's go to the top and look just to make sure that everything looks right. Okay, here we are. Here's our listing. We want to check, make sure everything's in the right place. Calendar works like it should. Can you add the item to a cart? Okay, you can. perfect. So this item is ready to go. Thanks, y'all. If you ever need help, reach out to us. Have a great day.